Hey, so I'm out in the garage working, and what I'm working on is that counter that's in the bathroom. They tried to paint it before with the same paint that it looks like that they painted the outside of the trailer with. So I had an idea that I was gonna like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna take that out. I'll probably get some uh, butcher board and put that in there, but it kind of won't go with the theme of what I'm doing in the bathroom. Really, the theme of what I'm doing with the whole trailer. So what I'm trying to do now is sand it up the best that I can. I bought one of these little like their tub and sink painter kits that I'm going to use on it. So let me just show you where I'm at. So where I'm at is I've I used a little bit of my paint remover. I've scraped it and I've sanded it. So for the most part, it's nice and smooth. Um, I got my little steamer. I just steam cleaned everything, and I'm just letting it dry. What I'm going to do is paint it with this sink and tub paint and see how it looks. This paint is also the paint that I got, I should say. I'm going to also be using it on the tub that's in the RV. So if it works and it looks good on this, I know it'll look good on the tub in the RV. If it doesn't work, then I'm gonna probably be coming up with a plan B for the tub and this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this painted. Fingers crossed it'll look good, and then I'll show you guys when I'm all done. So before I go, I just want to let you guys know this is what I'm using. This is one of those products that I won off my auction website that I go to. Um, so I'm hoping that it looks like that picture. We'll see. Okay, so I just finished painting it, and I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. Now, that's just me. You guys let me know what you think. Check this out. So that's how it looks. I am really, really impressed. I mean, if I didn't know no better, you would think that whole piece was porcelain. So I guess I'm going to be using that kit on the tub, and hopefully the tub turns out as good as this did, because that turned out really, really nice. All right. Hey, I got a lot of work going, a lot of things to check off my checklist. So I'm going to keep on working. So this is the final product. What I did is the little marble that you see, that is this countertop paper. So I don't know if it's countertop, it's peel and stick paper. So what I did is I put the peel and stick paper down, and then I had some tile that I'm gonna be putting in the kitchen, that gray, and it fit pretty well around that little lip. So I put that lip on there, siliconed around the base. Tried to cut that paper to make it look like it was underneath the sink, and put a new faucet in there. So it looks a lot better than it did. I'll take this.